The PestGuard Watergate is quickly becoming the best way to safely drain water from an aluminum frame patio or pool cage, and at the same time keep out unwanted pests. The GL1V1 insert can be installed in just a few minutes with a minimum of tools. But sometimes there are special circumstances that prevent this. Jim Wilson, founder of PestGuard Watergates, explains.
Normally on a balcony or on a ground floor, we would be using a drain such as this. It's called a GL1V1. It's a ground level version. The insert would have two gates, one on the exterior, one on the interior. The exterior would raise and the interior would raise. However, in this situation where we have a screen enclosure on the second floor, there's no way to get to the outside gate. So it would remain in a fixed position such as that and just lower and open the inside gate. But in either case, whether the gates are open or closed, the water will still drain and vacate off of the deck itself.
Because this lanai has vertical pedestals, the normal 9-inch insert can't be installed. So the solution is to cut 4 by 1/2 inch slots inside and out and install just the gates themselves. This is accomplished by drilling a 1/2 inch hole in each corner and carefully cutting down to the tile, then cutting the length of the slot and removing the piece. Next are 2 screws to hold the gate in place. And the process is then repeated on the interior side. After both slots are cut out, it's recommended to spray in insulation on either side of the inside of the frame to keep bugs, pests, and dirt from entering the interior of the frame.
Shortly after moving into my newly built home in Siesta Key, we had a Florida rainstorm. As I went outside, back pat, the lanai was totally flooded, so it became unusable to me. Second time it happened, and then we're cleaning up, trying to get the dust, the dirt out. Talked with my builder. He said that's the best we can do. We have weep holes, and it eventually does drain, which it actually did, but it took 4, 6, 7, 8 hours, depending on the intensity of the storm and when it was over. So I researched online and found a company by the name of PestGuard Watergate and looked at the YouTube video. Looked very impressive to me, so I made a call to Jim Wilson, left my name and number, and within an hour he called me back. Being in sales, I totally appreciated the quick response I got from him. And today they're installing the new system in my house. I'm truly excited that I can now have a lanai that'll be drained properly, that I'm going to be able to use it and not have to worry about the constant flooding on my back lanai there, especially with the furniture, the rugs getting wet, and everything becoming unusable.
For a free estimate on the installation of PestGuard Watergates in your home, call Jim Gavin's Home Service at 352-789-1193. That's 352-789-1193.